Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Senseless, and just got a lot going on this week. Well, every week I got a lot going on, but anyway, just to give you guys an update of last week on my last vlog, the second series shot that I received. I don't know if it was the shot or if it was pollen or because it's allergy season, but the next day my arm was fine, but the next day I was at work, and boy, let me tell you, my throat was itching, and I just kept sneezing. I felt stuffy, but of course in my office, you know what I'm saying, where we work at, you know what I'm saying, in there, you know, we've been complaining too that as soon as we get up in there, it's like we're constantly sneezing or we're feeling stuffy. So I don't know if it was the shot or if it was the office or if it's just allergies, and I don't really suffer from allergies like that, or just pollen. But overall, that was the only thing. Then I had like a slight headache, but it wasn't nothing to where I needed to take you know, anything for it, no Tylenol or nothing like that. It was just one of those headaches that, you know, you feel it, you know, but it was bearable. At least for me, it was bearable. So that was the only thing I must say. My boyfriend, he had his second one, and he felt he felt very nauseous. But you know, we had eaten, which was in the last video, we had went to Applebee's and we eaten, and once he ate, he felt pretty okay, you know. But other than that, that was the only thing that we you know, we had with the shot. So with the first one we was okay. With the second one, and even down to my arm, wasn't even that sore. So I guess, you know, it's just symptoms just vary from, you know, individuals, you know. So that's why I say, you know, you can't really tell what's going to happen from one person to the next, because everybody's body is different completely. Everybody, you know, immune system is different from, you know, we all know that. But you can't really take it as where, oh, I'm not going to take it because this happened to this one or this would happen to them. Like I said, overall, I took it because of what I saw. My cousin, and we're very, very close, what happened to her. That was the reason why I took it, and we both suffer from high blood pressure. Y'all ain't never see my natural hair. This is my natural hair. Yeah, got more blonde up because that's my color. But I'm about to head to the gym. I've been doing pretty good. That first last week was my first week to the gym. Whew, when I talk about my thighs done burn. Oh, they burn, my ass burn. I was at work and going up some stairs. It took about 10 minutes just to going up the stairs. Try to going down the stairs to go to the bathroom, and I almost peed on myself just how long it was taking me just to get down the stairs. When I say burn, but of course that's what it's going to do when you first get back into the gym. But got the house back situated with the carpet and stuff, so the kids' room looks amazing. The guys have done an amazing job on the carpet. I should let y'all see it, but I mean, you can't really tell, you know what I mean? Deshaun is in his room, but anyway, let me show you guys what the carpet looks like. It's more like a grayish color, but overall his room looks amazing. Yeah, it looks amazing. It suits the room, and I bought him a new Samsung TV, and he loves his Samsung TV. Oh, he loves it. Hey, okay. Then he have his everybody's into, oh, so dark. Everybody's into the LED lights, so he have the LED lights. His brother gotten the LED lights, so he wanted LED lights, so he got them too. So yeah, and they definitely lights up there. Ordered him a new mattress set, so that's coming from Sam's Club. That's gonna take about a month to get here. It seems like, oh Jesus, how am I forgetting? It seems like everything that you order is taking about 4 to 6 weeks to get here. Yes, we got some new washer and dryers. New wash and dryer set. Oh yeah, and when I tell you, these things are amazing. And this video is not sponsored. I want to say I think he said this is a 5.0. Yeah, it has clothes in there, but everything is pretty much touch screen, touch digital up there. Yeah, they are amazing. I love them. Oh yeah. And those are by Maytag. I mean, I'm pretty sure you guys seen it, but by Maytag. But anyway, I am getting ready to go to the gym because I gotta go to McDonald's first. Then I'm going to go to the gym. After that, I'm gonna go get my hair washed. So I will bring you guys back a little later. I'm trying to get it up and popping. This hair is, whoo, there I am. Look how it looks in the camera. You see how it looks in the camera?
Oh, look at it.
And look how it looks on, and it don't look so bright as it does.
It sure don't.
That's my stylist, y'all.
Yeah, y'all.
Hey guys, and welcome. Let me see. Yeah, yesterday I left, got my hair done. Well, got my hair braided back up. See? Oh yeah. She's in the process of making me a wig. So yeah, but she pretty much treated my hair. She's the one that colors my hair. She does all that great stuff to my hair. She makes my wig and all that good stuff. Love her to death. She knows exactly what I like. I mean, and she's really, really good. She's right here in Savannah. I'll leave her information in my description box. She's really good when it comes to alopecia. She's certified. She's, you know, she deals with a lot. Her wigs them look like real. She makes her wigs them look real natural. I like it. Love it. But yeah, today's the next day and I'm about to run to the store. It's about to storm, and of course I'm back to work today. Why is it focus on my no, anyway, I head back to work today. So but yeah, it's about to really storm. But other than that, I just wanted to come back on here and show you guys my hair. I don't know my plan. My pompous. I love that. Yeah. Oh yeah. It's pretty big. It's pretty big. But I had gotten that. I picked that up from Kirkland's a couple weeks back. I love it. And actually, people said that it sheds. Mine's is not shedding at all, so I don't know. I have not had not one thing fall off of that whatsoever, but it's doing pretty good. So I'll catch you guys back in the next one. Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Senseless. It is 7:07 to be exact. Let me show you guys. Yes, 7:07 in the morning, and I'm still just took off my uniform shirt. I am still in my uniform, but anyway, I want to show you guys this. So I comes in. My daughter came, got her car. Babe did her oil change and everything for her last night, so she came and I went to go pick her up, and she just came and got her car. But this is what's going on. Let me show you guys. Somebody in the kitchen making breakfast. Oh, we ain't calling no names, look. Yeah, somebody in the kitchen making breakfast. Yeah, but it's smiling and smiling. He don't like being on camera, so I won't put him on camera. Yeah, so I'm about to sit down and eat me a nice little breakfast. Then I gotta get Deshaun up about 7:30 and get him prepared to get online and to get school. Then I'm gonna try to, sit up for a little while because I'm not gonna eat too much anyway. I don't go to sleep. I don't eat and go to sleep. So, but I will come back to you guys later on. I'm actually getting ready to go to the doctor. See, yeah, this is my workout wear for later and my doctor's appointment work for later. I was supposed to have went to the gym at 12 o'clock, but got off late. And, yeah, correction. Got off and had to go pick Patrice up. Of course, you guys see Babe had breakfast ready. So I pretty much ate, kind of, wind down a little bit. And then we were supposed to go to the gym for 12. Well, clearly it's minutes to 2. My doctor's appointment is 2:30. So we didn't make that. So we will try and make the gym later on this evening. But yeah, I'm going to my doctor. I had some blood work done. So I'm going to pretty much do a follow-up appointment today. So I'll catch you guys in a bit.